You want to learn a new framework, so you do what every developer does. You open a 4-hour tutorial. You follow along, type every line of code exactly as the instructor does, and you feel like a genius. But the second you close the video and open a blank code editor, your mind goes completely blank. You try to build something simple, and you suddenly realize you didn't actually learn anything. You just copied it. This is called tutorial hell, and it's the reason 90% of self-taught developers burn out before they ever land a job. But learning a new tech stack is actually incredibly easy once you stop treating your brain like a hard drive. The problem with passive tutorials is that they remove all the friction. When someone else writes the code, your brain doesn't have to solve any problems. It just consumes data. In psychology, this lack of friction means you aren't building any active neural pathways. You are experiencing the illusion of competence. Think of it like watching someone else lift weights and expecting your own muscles to grow. When you stare at someone else's perfectly formatted code, your brain's cognitive load is completely relaxed. But the moment you face an empty IDE, the cognitive load spikes to 100%. The friction hits you all at once, and you panic. To actually learn a language in a fraction of the time, we have to artificially inject friction back into the process. To speed learn any language, you need to use the project first, syntax second method. Instead of watching a tutorial on how Python works, decide on a painfully simple project, like a script that organizes your messy download folder. Step 1, do not look up a tutorial for the project. Step 2, open your blank editor and write out the logic in plain English comments. Step 1, check folder. Step 2, identify file type. Step 3, move file. Step 3, only look up the exact syntax you need to solve that specific line. You aren't learning Python. You are learning how to move a file in Python. By forcing yourself to solve the micro problems, you are creating massive amounts of friction. And resolving that friction is the only way your brain actually encodes the memory. I used to spend weeks agonizing over documentation before writing a single line of code, because I was terrified of doing it wrong. I thought I needed to memorize the entire dictionary before I could write a sentence. But the truth is, the best senior engineers in the world still Google basic syntax every single day. The goal isn't to memorize the syntax. The goal is to master the logic. Everything else is just a quick search away. Give yourself permission to write terrible, broken code, because broken code is the only pathway to working code. What is the one programming language or framework you've been stuck trying to learn? Let me know down in the comments, and I'll try to help you break down your first project. If this video helped you escape tutorial hell, hit subscribe for more simplified tech concepts. See you in the next one.